Hello everybody, how are we doing? So welcome back to my channel. This is Els Empire. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're old, thank you for always tuning in. So today we're going to show our new range of products that we're going to try for a month, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm actually out of my products I used to use, but I want to try a new product that I got from Famat Beauty. So she's like a sister to me, and she has a range of products and I want to try them. So I'll be using them in my post relaxer wash day in my next video. So these are the products I want to talk about. Okay, so the first product that I'll be talking about, as you all know, is a shampoo. That's what you first use in your wash day, right? It's a shampoo. The shampoo is from Famat Beauty, as I said already. It says Famat Beauty Butterfly Pea Shampoo. That means it's made with butterfly pea shampoo. Gentle, non-stripping cleanse, reduces breakage during wash for coily and textured hair. Okay. The net weight is 300 ml. The ingredients is... So I would say that if you're going for a product, the first ingredient you would have to look at is aqua. It should be water based. So it says aqua into bracket infused with clitoria tenacia extract and azada. Hey, my madam is going to kill me with big names, scientific names, but actually they have good benefits as well. And one thing I found here in the shampoo is that really got my attention is panthenol. Any moisturizing product should contain panthenol, and especially for relaxed hair, you should most of the time be using products that contain moisture. And so if you get your product, make sure that it contains panthenol. And it also has hydrolyzed silk protein. That means this is also a protein-based shampoo. So you don't have to use it much, especially when you have done protein treatment within the week or something. So this is how it looks. Butterfly pea. I think I'll search and put the picture here if it looks blue, because the color of the shampoo is blue in color and it smells so good. I can't wait to use this. Like, I really can't wait to use it. It smells good actually. It says how to use it. Shake well before use. Apply directly to the scalp, then cleanse to lather, rinse out and repeat the process. Follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner or smoothie hair conditioner, which I am going to next. Smoothie conditioner. It smoothens the hair, conditions the hair, and promotes elasticity. This is also hair conditioner, and you just use it like you're using other conditioners, but every product you make sure you read the direction as well. So how to use it: you dispense some amount into your palm, you rub in between your hair and apply to your wet hair. Use a white tooth comb to distribute the product evenly through the length of your hair. Rinse out after 2 to 3 minutes and follow up with moisturizing hair butter. So the caution is you have to do a patch test on your skin before you use it to ensure that you're not going to react to it. That is a good thing. Okay, let's see the color and the smell. It is pink in color. It smells so good actually. It does. Please buy from my madam, okay? She's in Accra, Spentex. My Ghanaian people who will be watching me, yes, buy from her. You'll be trying it, so just follow me through and then you'll see how it goes. And so the next is moisturizing hair butter, which moisturizes the hair, softens and detangles. It reduces breakage. It also contains aqua is the first thing. It contains acetyl alcohol, propanol, panthenol, that is moisture. That's what is really important to me most of the time when I get products. I check if it contains protein or not, and most especially it contains moisture as well. So so this is our moisturizing hair butter, and then we have deep moisture and repair mask. It gives you deep moisture, strengthens and repairs, reduces breakage as well. It contains panthenol and then aqua. It has glycerin. Wow. It has keratin, hydrolyzed keratin protein, and then it has hydrolyzed wheat protein. So this is really good for a deep conditioning. So it gives moisture and then it gives protein. So it balances both. It smells good as well. So this is how it looks. You can see that it's moisturized, and yeah. I just can't wait to try the product. Madam, if you're watching this, I just can't wait to try your product. I love it, from the packaging to how it smells and everything. It's on point. Yeah, so the next product is scalp revive essence. For this, I've used it before. And what I love about it is the minty kind of feel. Yeah, it has that kind of mint. It has panthenol, it has aloe, barbadenous leaf juice, it has glycerin, it has castor oil, citric acid, and a lot of products. But it smells good and it gives your hair a good feel. So this is actually used for your scalp, as the name goes, scalp revive essence. So yeah, most especially when you are in braids and then you feel your scalp is itchy or something, it revives the scalp most often. Wow, the minty smell is what I love. You know, when you wash your hair, then you have some tingling sensation in there. It feels great. This product, it gives that. Yeah, I've used it once. Yeah, I was just trying it. I couldn't wait to try the product, but I had to moisturize my hair when I got it, like when I received the product. So yeah, I did moisturize it. And we have two other products left. This one is a Silky Glide Detangler. Detangles, reduces breakage, softens the hair. So this is a detangler. It smells good. It's like it has the same scent. It has the same smell. Yeah. So as you can see, it's very slimy. So you can imagine how it's going to detangle your hair so easy and reduce tangles and then reduce breakage. It smells good. And lastly, your scalp oil. Our hair and scalp oil, it also reduces breakage, nourishes the scalp and soothes the scalp. So this is the oil as well. Can you see? I love it. I've used it before too. So these are the range of products I got from Famat Beauty. You see, there's a Silky Glide Detangler, the Scalp Revive Essence, the Scalp Oil, the Butterfly Pea Shampoo, the Smoothie Conditioner, the Moisturizing Sealing Butter Cream, and also the Deep Moisture and Repair Mask. So these are the products. The packaging and everything, the product in there also smells good. I mean, it's top notch. Clock it for that. And I love it. I'm sure that using it on my hair, it's going to love it as well. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, see you in my next video where I'll be using these products. Yeah.